Algebraic expression. An expression that consists of algebraic terms, operation symbols, plus, minus, multiply or divide, or brackets is known as algebraic expression. Remember that an algebraic expression has no equal sign. Look at this example, sum of 3 and 7. We can write it like 3 plus 7. This is the numerical expression. We have written it in numbers form, so that is a numerical expression. Now look at this, sum of a number and 7. Now we don't know the number, so we can say a number be x. X plus 7, that is an algebraic expression. Now this is an algebraic expression because there is one unknown here, that is x. We do not know the value of x here. So this is the way to write an algebraic expression. Look, you can see here there is no equal sign in this expression. Look at this example, 5x minus 3. Here you can see that this 5 along with x, this 5 is being multiplied with x and 5 is known as a coefficient. X is a variable, minus is an operation symbol, and then 3 is a constant. And we call it as algebraic term or algebraic expression. Okay students, now there are two types of algebraic expressions, linear and non-linear algebraic expressions. In linear expressions, the variable's power cannot exceed from 1. For example, for x, here you can see that the variable x has a power 1. When there is no power seen or visible, it means there is a power of 1. A minus 1. Here you can see again y, the variable has a power 1. So these variables are linear and the expressions are linear expressions. Non-linear expressions. The variable power is greater than 1. In non-linear expressions, the power will be greater than 1. For example, 2x square. You can see a square here. So whenever the power exceeds from 1, it means that expression is not linear, but that is a non-linear expression. For example, 3y cubed plus 2. Here the power of a variable is 3. That means it's a non-linear expression. So this is the difference between linear and non-linear algebraic expressions. In this tutorial video, you are going to deal with linear expressions. Evaluation of algebraic expressions. Students, evaluation means to find out the value of something. And evaluation of algebraic expression means finding value of the expression when the variable takes on certain values. Let's understand this concept by the help of an example. Look at this question. Given that x equals to minus 2 and y equals to minus 4, evaluate each of the following expression. A part, 5y minus 4x. Now what you have to do is, you have to put the value of this y and x from the given question, and the value of x is minus 2 and y is 4. So your first step will be this. In this step, what you have to do is put equals to sign and write 5, and y is being multiplied with 5. So we will use a bracket here, 5 into 4 minus 4. And in the bracket you are going to write minus 2. These brackets means that these numbers are being multiplied. The next step will be that you have to multiply the numbers. 5 4s are 20, minus minus plus. As you have already learned the multiplication of the signs, so here minus minus is plus and 4 2s are 8. Now simply add these two numbers and you will get the answer, that is 28. Now look at another example. 1 by x minus y plus 3. Now what you have to do is, this is a fraction form. You have to put the value of x in the denominator minus, then you have to put the value of y, plus 3 will remain as it is. This is the first step. In this step, what you have to do is you have to put the values. You can see the values here. And then solve it. Plus minus minus 1 by 2 minus 4 plus 3. Now students, you have learned BODMAS rule, and here apply the BODMAS rule, and you can see there are only negative, negative and positive sign. So we will solve it from left to right, and while solving these two numbers we will get a fraction here, and we will take LCM. So we got minus 1 minus 4 2s are 8 by 2 plus 3. Now solve it. Minus 1 minus 8. Same signs you have to add, but sign of bigger number will come. So minus 9 by 2 plus 3. Again there is a fraction and a number. So again you are going to take LCM. So by taking LCM you got minus 9 plus 6 by 2. Now there are different signs. You are going to subtract, but sign of greater number will come. So when we subtract 6 from 9, we got the answer is minus 3 by 2 or minus 1 whole 1 by 2. So students, in these questions we have evaluated the algebraic expressions. We have substituted the values of the variables and got our answers in numerical form or in numbers.